Hi all, myself Prinshu Verma, and today I'm here to introduce my new product that is called AI Tutor. Yes, many of you have taken multiple online trainings where a instructor-led online trainer, a trainer is teaching you online. We have a similar product, but today AI will teach you online. So let me introduce you this product with a quick demo. So here we have AI Tutor. I have designed this model on Python. So here we start.
Good morning. Welcome to the Python course, and thank you for choosing me as your AI instructor. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear a little about you, your name, background, and what you're hoping to achieve with this course. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Prinshu Verma, and I'm having total 13 years of experience in IT industry. And today I want to learn Python to upskill my programming knowledge. Thank you.
Great. Thank you for the introduction. Prinshu Verma. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Before we begin the session, just a quick note: if you have any doubts during the session, feel free to write them in the chat. Once I finish the slide, I review the chat and answer all your queries. I trust this works for you.
Sure, sounds good. Thank you.
Alright, let's get started. Hope you can see the screen now. Alright, the session is getting recorded. In case if you want to brush up this session later, you can watch this recording on our LMS. Thank you. Let me set the agenda for today's session. We will cover the following topics: what is Python? Python basics, language constructs, operators in Python. So, I will go one by one covering all this topic, and for today's topic, like I mentioned, we'll do the practical. So I will be using the Jupyter notebook. Hope you have installed the same software on your machine, so that you can do parallelly practical with me. Can I get a quick response?
Yes, you can proceed. Thank you.
Alright, great. So let's start the session. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It is an open-source and cross-platform language that has become increasingly popular over the last 10 years. Python is a multi-purpose programming language that can be used for various tasks such as scientific computing, simulations, web development, and more. Example: Python can be used to create a simple calculator program that takes in user input.
So here you can see that I can interact with the AI tutor. Also, I have option given to pause the session if in between if you get some work. And now I can write some question on the chat. Let me write it here. And let's see how AI can answer me. So, how is Python different from Java? Okay, so let's start the session again.
Let's continue the session. Python performs mathematical operations. For instance, print hello world is a basic Python program that prints hello world to the screen. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that combines simplicity and ease of use with advanced software engineering tools. It is dynamically typed, meaning it does not require explicit type declarations for variables. Instead, Python infers the data type of a variable based on its assignment. This makes Python code flexible and applicable to a wide range of objects. Python also features automatic memory management, which means it automatically allocates and reallocates memory for objects as they are created and destroyed. This eliminates the need for manual memory management, making Python code more efficient and less prone to memory-related errors. Let me see the chat. Or do you have any query? Python is different from Java in several ways. Firstly, Python is an interpreted language, which means that it executes code line by line without requiring compilation into machine code beforehand. On the other hand, Java is a compiled language, which means that it needs to be compiled into bytecode before it can be executed. Secondly, Python is a high-level language that simplifies coding by abstracting low-level details, enhancing readability, portability, and maintenance ease. Java, although also a high-level language, is more verbose and requires more boilerplate code compared to Python. Lastly, Python is a general-purpose programming language that can be used for various applications, from web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence and automation tasks. Java, on the other hand, is primarily used for developing large-scale applications, especially enterprise software. Additionally, Python has a more flexible syntax and is more forgiving when it comes to errors, whereas Java is more strict and requires more explicit type definitions. Python also has a vast range of libraries and frameworks that make it suitable for rapid prototyping and development, whereas Java is more geared towards large-scale, complex applications. Overall, while both languages have their strengths and weaknesses, Python is generally considered more flexible, easier to learn, and more suitable for rapid prototyping and development, whereas Java is more geared towards large-scale, complex applications. Hope I answered your query.
Thank you. Can you brief me about some features of Python?
Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It has features like cross-platform compatibility, which allows Python programs to run on multiple operating systems without modification, ensuring uniform behavior across platforms. Additionally, Python has integrated development environments, IDEs, that provide comprehensive tools and features for writing, debugging, and managing Python code efficiently in one cohesive environment. Python is also a general-purpose language, making its roles virtually unlimited, and it's commonly used in various domains such as website development, gaming, robotics, and more. Hope I answered your query.
Thank you. So, what are the what is the okay? So, what is the scope of Python?
The scope of Python is vast and versatile. It can be used for various applications, from web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence and automation tasks. Its simplicity, readability, and extensive library support contribute to its broad usability across different domains. Some of the areas where Python can be used include web application development, gaming, data science, data analysis, AI applications, automation, and testing, among others. Hope I answered your query.
Yes, thank you. Let's continue.
I'd be happy to assist, but I can only answer Python-related questions right now. Let me know if you have any further queries. Let's continue the session.
So you see that I have interacted with the AI. I have asked multiple questions, which AI had given the right answer. So in this, we have a chat where you can write the question and ask a query as well. If you want to interact with AI, we have a voice chat also. So this is all about today's video. Hope you like that, and yes, we are looking forward to make it more productive and add-ons more features like code execution. You have code debugging as well. More important, how the learner can interact with the AI tutor, like we usually interact with instructor-led online session. So yeah, these are all the features, and we look forward to make it more productive. So stay connected with us. Thank you.